Okay, let's do this again. I forgot to hit the record button. So we are harvesting sap today. We took it and put in the taps, well, almost a week ago. And I have taken like 7-gallon in. It was running really slow. So we got a snowstorm. As you can see, we got a bunch of snow. Oh, it's behind me. I keep forgetting which direction I'm going. We actually got 11 inches of snow, so I decided I'm not going to check it every day. But on my way to work this morning, I noticed that one of the buckets was over half full, so I figured, when we get home, we're going to have to bring in our sap. So let's, oh, drat. I don't know why this keeps shutting off, but it just shut off and didn't record anything. So I don't know when it shut off. Maybe I'm out of space on my... Oh, I didn't even see them trees the other day when I checked them. I missed a couple. He's got 2 pails over here, it looks like, or maybe one. 1 pail. How much is in that pail?
Half full.
Half full pail? Well, that's good. It's still running, I guess. So I don't know how this is going to work because my thing keeps shutting off on me and I don't know why. So it's kind of hard to walk through the woods here. So we've got another pail over here. And a decent sized tree. We'll see how much it has. So some of them didn't have any and some of them buckets were half full. And this one here, almost nothing.
A little bit.
Okay, got a little bit here.
Ice.
Oh.
A little bit of ice.
Well, yeah, a little bit of ice because it was cold. And this is kind of the shadier part of the park, so it might take a little longer for it to start really running. But it looks like he's got a pail that's almost full there. Look at that. It's 5 gallons, almost. Probably got a good 4 gallons in there. And there's our cows. We live on a beef ranch, so. And there's one of our barn cats. She's our mouser that keeps the mice down. And then he'll get the other bucket and we'll head over here to this trees over. Then we did head over to the trees over here. I'm gonna have to take down my Christmas decorations pretty soon. I got a sleigh full of presents with lights. This is the old spring tooth that my dad used years ago. This is Edwin Sawyer's Memorial Park, so we've got a lot of antique stuff in our park. So up here we have another, oops, it's over here. Another bucket, and we'll see if there's anything in it. It's on just a couple of small trees, but I've got 2 taps, 1 in each tree, so we'll see. Yeah, there's a little bit in there. And then there's another one down over here. The other day when I checked, that one had none in it, and this one over here had none. We'll see if it's got any today. And that's an old one-bottom plow that my dad used. Worked this place up many years ago. It's actually what put the ditch on the side of the driveway, was that plow. And this one, we'll see. Oh, that one's almost full. Junior, this one's almost full over here. Like I can't lift it with one hand. Did he take make it to the house. The chimes sound so nice here. I don't know if you can hear them, but they're the memorial chimes for Edmund Sawyer's Memorial Park. And that's our house cat. She likes to be outside too. And there's a little bit in this bucket. He'll pour it in. Not much in it. Yeah, not much. And then this up, you gotta get the hoses in. Okay, and then we are gonna head over to the one over here. And he's gonna see how much. It was heavy enough I couldn't hardly even tip it with my hand, and it's only a 3-gallon pail, so. Still got a little snow left, even with it 50 degrees, so you know we had a lot of snow. It's like 11. One place I measured it was 10 inches, another place I measured it was 11 and a half, so depending on where it drifted in deeper and where. Oh, yep, over half full, but it's a small pail, so it's not a lot. But it all adds up. A little here and a little there, and hopefully we'll get a bunch of sap. So if you like what you see, like it and share it, and I will catch you later. All of our videos are on Natural Green Creations, so you can see more of them on it, and we will catch you later. This is what I put our sap in, and then I have this here thing that I dip the sap out, and I put it in a pitcher like this rather than dripping all the way to where I process it. And here's one of the ways that I process. I filled this here up to the top, and I have it set on, as you can see, a little bit over 200, because 220 is boiling. I don't want it to boil. I want to keep it under boiling. This one here I set on a little over 200. My other one I set on 200. It seems to be a little warmer than this one. Could be because this is in a cool room. I'm storing the sap in this room because in this room it's cooler. Actually, it's refrigerator temp, so the sap will keep good. Some people put it in cans outside and pile snow up around it, and then they process it all in one day in a big vat. I do it small. I just use my turkey roaster and my induction burner. So we'll go over to the induction burner in just a second here. Here we are going over to the induction burner. And as you can see, I've got it, I set the hours to 9 hours when I fill it up, so I need to reset that to 9 hours, but my temperature I have set on 200 on the nose, and last night this here cooked down about half, so I just refilled it up, and I'll reset that when I get done. And behind you can see that I've got my iPad stand setting on my grandmother's old wood cook stove. I had the grandkids over and baked cookies in it. I'm not very good at it. Like, as in, I think the cookies cooked for an hour. I think I dehydrated them, not cooked them, because I couldn't get the oven hot enough. It makes me understand how hard it was for our ancestors to get it done, and how early they had to get up in order to get the oven warm enough to make breakfast. So it's really amazing what they did. So, well, if you like what you see, share it and subscribe. There's more videos on Natural Green Creations. Thank you.